In view of our Bitcoin money cost forecast, the cost of BCH will cross the $273 mark toward the finish of 2023. According to our BCH cost expectation 2025, Bitcoin money's future is splendid, and it could hit $458 toward the finish of 2025. Our Bitcoin money forecast 2030 demonstrates that the coin could raise a ruckus around town value level of $1,118. At present, the cost of Bitcoin money is exchanging around $113, which is practically 4% up from the most recent 24 hours. In spite of the blended patterns, Bitcoin money holds the possibility to go up and could hit $458 by 2025. On the off chance that you are searching for Bitcoin money expectations, our top-to-bottom examination intends to respond to your inquiries like, is Bitcoin money a wise venture? How high will Bitcoin money go? Is Bitcoin money expected to rise? Before we start with itemized Bitcoin money cost conjecture, how about we jump into the coin's outline? Bitcoin money, BCH, presentation. The beginning of digital currencies denoted a progressive period in the realm of money. The flexible scope of digital currencies offers a plenty of benefits to financial backers. The eminent digital currencies like Bitcoin, Ethereum, Wave, Litecoin, and so forth had their own advantage fad to advance. Nonetheless, they're actually prowled a test of openness, straightforwardness, and tremendous exchange expenses. Allow us to have a speedy look at the ongoing cost and subtleties of BCH and comprehend the Bitcoin money cost expectation for what's in store. This was properly tended to by Bitcoin money's introduction to the world, represented by BCH in mid-2017 by a gathering of engineers. They understood that the immense capability of Bitcoin could be additionally outfit ideally through a hard fork, in this way expanding the block size limit. So on August 1, 2017, BCH started its life. The essential goal of Bitcoin money, BCH, was to resolve the issues concerning rising exchange charges and contentions encompassing adaptability in the blockchain, keeping in context shared exchanges as the centralized server and security as the significant purposes. This BCH was ready to work with the expansion in block size from 1 MB to 8 MB. Subsequently accomplishing a dramatically fast of exchange process. Bitcoin money BCH cost depends on cryptographic strategies that depend on zero divulgence proof and the numerical consistency of the whole blockchain-empowered exchange, which is cross-checked without uncovering any authentic information or message on the other party engaged with the exchange. Consequently, security hindrances are captured first. A remarkable trait of this convention is that it guarantees liquidity and guarantees lightning-quick speed of additional exchanges on the organization. When BCH made its presence felt and unmistakable, Ziglu, a London-based computerized bank, chose to finance English pounds and numerous digital currencies like BTC, LTC, and presently BCH2. Clients of the computerized bank can now make P2P installments over the organization or different banks inside the UK. Be that as it may, since the mid-2018, the BCH cost confronted progressive rectification, and toward the finish of 2018, it fell underneath $100. Then, at that point, till 2020, Bitcoin has figured out how to unroll a reach bound, exchanging from $167 to $480. From that point onward, from the very start of 2021, the cost of BCH coin has been soar and reached $1,549. Afterward, it confronted sharp fall and retested $100 once more. Since the last year, Bitcoin money has figured out how to remain over the $96 mark, with areas of strength for and around $150 till date. The ongoing cost activity reflects plausibility that the BCH coin cost could recuperate soon. Being perhaps of the most established player in the cryptographic money market, Bitcoin money value, the posterity of Bitcoin, has acquired confided in validity among big business organizations. Its conventions certifiable applications have likewise covered various significant classifications that endeavor organizations might actually be keen on. Furthermore, Bitcoin money's huge local area of designers, which deals with the blockchain's convention upgrades, could be considered by big business organizations as a mechanical advantage. Bitcoin money expectation has for quite some time been a panacea for application engineers. Answers for certifiable issues like money moves and appropriated finance have been found in view of Bitcoin money. With Bitcoin money showing such a lot of commitment, it has support from all the business crypto world experts who solidly accept that Bitcoin money, upheld by a principle powerful algorithmic science and a steady past exhibition, can be wise venture guidance, however, provided that contributed brilliantly with the right cost check. To outfit the ideal potential, specialists overall and die-hard financial backers of Bitcoin money expectation have exhorted adhering to this cash for the most part, for the reasons of future cost heightening assumptions. Truth be told, it is consistently acquired and reliably performed, as said previously. Allow us to view the specialist's interpretation of Bitcoin money expectation specialized examination. As per determined Bitcoin money cost examination, Bitcoin money cost could float least cost around $106 toward 2023 in the couple of the following months, and as per estimated Bitcoin money cost, it is by all accounts showing a vertical pattern. The bulls will push the cost up like other crypto monsters as well. It's uplifting news for its financial backers. According to BCH Value Forecast, it can generally ultimately depend on $292 as greatest cost in 1 year. Bitcoin money figure is by all accounts showing negative feeling. It might dishearten its financial backers cruising scarcely at $13.39 as least cost toward 2023 of every 1 year's end. In light of our Bitcoin cash cost conjecture, it is a terrible long-haul venture. Your venture might be cheapened from now on. Toward the finish of the following year, the BCH cost could tumble to $11. Bitcoin money's cost today is exchanging around $113 with a circling supply of 19,412,844 BCH. The market capitalization shows a strong $2,205,055,592. Despite the fact that the digital money has endured a few unsettled maneuvers, it makes certain to get back in the saddle, as construed by specialists. All the more critically, the venture is doing a ton on the advancement and improvement front, clarifying that the Bitcoin money cost won't ever go into obscurity. Bitcoin money can exchange on Bitcoin's past triumphs and believability the other digital money world, with the likenesses and divided history among the two significant monetary standards. Bitcoin money value expectation 2023 going by concentrating on present moment and long-haul BCH cost drifts. The coin's cost has been diverging from its way regularly every 2 or 3 years. In 2023, Bitcoin money is supposed to arrive at the base cost of $112.56 and $273.46 as the greatest cost. As indicated by Bitcoin money cost forecast 2023, there is an anticipated possibility of Bitcoin money causing a slight recuperation, yet at the year end of 2023, BCH cost will recapture its loss force and crosses the $250 mark. There is no such thing as Bitcoin money value expectation 2024, expressing that a stunning chance, and that bulls will ride the crypto market. It is normal that Bitcoin money will lead the crypto market, with a presentation cost fixed around $347.50 in the long-term end. Bitcoin money is said to arrive at the base cost of $227.50 with a typical cost of $287.50. Bitcoin money has the maximum capacity to support